How to download and install Bolt app on Android and iPhone. Want to start using Bolt for quick rides? Here's how to download and install the app properly. If you are on iPhone, open the App Store, and if you are on Android, open the Play Store. Here at the bottom right corner, you can see the search icon. Tap on it. Now tap on the search bar at the top and type in Bolt. If you have typed it in, hit search and the list of apps will appear. Tap on the Bolt official app. Now you can see the install button. Tap on install to begin the installation. Make sure you download the official Bolt app by checking the developer name Bolt Technology to avoid fake versions. Have you tried Bolt before, or is this your first time setting it up? Tell us in the comments below. And that's how you can download and install Bolt app on Android and iPhone. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.